So hello viewers, today I have brought another class for class 6. This class number is 7. Today our topic is fraction, and here multiplication and division will be covered. So what's inside? Complete package of multiplication and division of fractions. So presented by Abu Jafar, instructor and author. My dear students, now see the start of the class, multiplying fractions, simple multiplication. So if you have the question like this one, 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4. So what you have to do, you will try to check that it is possible to divide up and down or not, like this one. So you cannot, these numbers cannot divide up and down. So you have to multiply up with up, 3 with 1 and 2 with 4. Now you see 3 ones are 3, 2 fours are 8. So very simple, like this question number 2, you see multiply 5 by 6 multiply 2 by 3. Now check it that 3 can divide 5 or 2, or 2 can divide 6 and 3. Yes, it's possible. 2 can divide 6. So here in this case, you have to divide first. So 2 and 6, here you can divide 2 and 6 by 3 times. You see 2 3s are 6. So now we have to stop here. Now multiply 5 ones are here 1, 2 is cut off, and 3 3s are 9. So it will be 5 by 9. Now question number 3, you check here. Multiply 7 by 8 and 6 by 5. Here 5 and 7 we cannot cut. Here you can cut 6 and 8 by 2. 6 is even number, 8 is even number, so both the numbers you can cut by 2. So 6, if you divide by 2, it will be 3 times. If you divide 8 by 2, 4 times. So now multiply 7 with 3. 7 3s are 21 and 4 5s are 20. Now this is improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. So it is what? 1 whole 1 by. Now multiply fractions with whole numbers. So see the question number 4. Multiply 3 multiply 2 by 5. 3 is whole number, integer. So you can write like 3 by 1, because there's 1 down always. Multiply 2 by 5. Now check, they cannot cut up and down. So multiply 3 with 2. 3 to the 6, down 5 ones are 5. It is improper fraction because 6 is greater than 5. So make it mixed fraction. 1 on 1 by 1 1 5. Now question number 5. So multiply 5 multiply 3 by 4. So 5 we can write like 5 by 1 multiply 3 by 4. Up and down you cannot cut. So multiply 3 with 5, 15. 4 ones are 4. Now this is also improper fraction. Divide and make mixed fraction. 3 times quotient and remainder 3 by 4. Now question number 6. Similar example. 14 multiply 3 by 7. So here you see 14 means 14 by 1, you can divide 14 by 7. You know very well. How many times? 2 times. Very good. So now answer will be 3 by 2. It's 6 by 1 means 6. This one down has no value. It will be omit. It will be 6 here. Multiply fractions with simplification. So now if possible, now see the examples. If we multiply the numbers like 6 by 9 and 3 by 8, you see here, my dear students, 3 9 we can cut each other, then we can cut 6 and 8 with 2. So in this type of cases we have to now cut them like 3 and 9. If you divide 9 by 3, it will be 3 times. Now if you divide this 6 by 3, now it will be 2 times. Very nice. You see now this, if you divide this 8 by this 2, it will be 4 times. So you see up there's nothing left, so it will be 1 by down 4. So my dear students, this is simplification. So this type of multiplication if you get, you have to cut them and find the answer. Now check this one. 10 by 15 with 6 by 8 you have to multiply. Now you observe up and down we can cut each other with numbers like 10 15. We can cut 10 8 6 and 15. So you can do as you like. So I'm doing like 15 and 10 I'm going to cut with 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Now I'm going to divide this 8 by 2. So if you divide 8 by 2, it will be 4 times. Now this 4 and 6 we can divide by 2. So 4 and 6 you can divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So only 3 and 3 by 2 is left. And here 3 is here. So this 3 and this 3 can be cut. So this 3 out. Now up there is nothing. So there will be 1 up and this 2 down. You remember, if there is nothing left on the up side, you have to put 1 for that. My dear students, next go for question number 9. You see multiply 12 by 27 multiply 9 by 12. Now this 12 and 12 we can cut. Equal number 1 time. Now 9 we can divide 27 by 9. It is 3 times. So the answer will be 1 by 3. My dear student, now divide fractions. Simple fraction. If you divide simple fractions, like you see example number 1, 5 by 8 divided by 2 by 3. Now You see 2 by 3 in the division fractions. If you divide fractions, then the fractions, this division sign will be changed into multiplication sign. You have to change the sign into multiplication, and the fraction after the division sign will be reciprocal. It will be upside down. 3 will go up, 2 will come down. Now you have to do like the multiplication. You have to try to cut them and write the answer. Here you cannot cut, so 3 multiplied by 15, 8 to the 16. So my dear student, I have used here color to make it clear. So for division of fraction, we do not divide. What we do, we change the division sign into multiplication sign, and we change the fraction immediate after the division sign into reciprocal fraction. Then we, if possible, we cut it. Now 6 and 9 we can cut, you see, by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9. So it will be 7 to the 14, 3 5 the 15. My dear students, now check exam question number 3. Divide 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. Now 3 by 4, this division sign into multiplication sign. Then 2 by 5 you change into 5 by 2. Now you cannot cut each other. 3 5 the 15 and 4 to the 8. My dear students, it is improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. Now it will be 1 whole 7 by 8. Fractions whole numbers. If you divide fractions with whole numbers, you see what to do. 4 divided by 3 by 5. Now 4 you should write like 4 by 1 division sign, you have to change into multiplication sign. Then this fraction you make reciprocal. 3 by 5 will be 5 by 3. Now if possible you can cut, but here it's not possible. So multiply 4 with 5, 20. 3 ones are 3. Now this is improper fraction, make into mixed fraction. So answer is 6, remainder 2 by 3. My dear students, now question number 5, you see divide 6 division sign 2 by 7. Now this 6 means 6 by 1, division sign change into multiplication sign, then 2 by 7 change it into reciprocal fraction, upside down 7 by 2. Now you can observe it that 2 can divide 6, so we can divide it to this 6, and what is the result? 3 times 2 3 is 6. So now there's nothing left, so this 3 7s are 21 will be your answer. My dear students, check the question number 6. Now here divide 10 division sign 4 by 5. So you can follow like before one. 10 means 10 by 1. Change the sign into multiplication sign. Change the fraction upside down. Now observe and cut them. Try to, because you can cut 4 and 10. Both are even numbers. You can cut by 2. So 4 and 10 you can cut by 2. 2 to the 4. 2 5s are 10. Now what is left up? 5 and 5 multiply. 5 5s are 25. Down is only 2. This is improper fraction. Divide and make mixed fraction. So here it will be 12 whole 1 by 2. My dear students, now divide fractions with simplification. If possible to cut upside down number, we have to divide them like here you see example number 7, 12 by 27 divided by 6 by 9. So here change the sign first. Remember, first you have to change the sign, then you have to change the fraction. After that you have to observe and cut them. 12 6 you can cut, 9 27 you can cut, we can cut 9 by 6 also with 3. So there are a lot of things possible ways, so anyone we can follow. So let's go for the easier one. 12 we can divide by 6 2 times, then we can divide 9 and 27. 9 can divide 27 3 times, so it is done in 2 steps. You see 2 by 3 left. 2 by 3 is proper fraction, so leave it up to here, this answer. Now question number 8, divide fraction 8 by 12 divided by 4 by 6. Change the sign into multiplication, change the fraction, and try as you like to cut them. Now we can divide this 8 by 4, so it will be 2 times. We can divide this 12 by 6, it is 2 times. So this 2 and 2 we can also divide each other, so there will be nothing left. If nothing left, answer is 1. Okay, so now in question number 9, divide 10 by 15 divisions and 5 by 9. So change the division sign into multiplication sign, change the division fraction upside down. Now try to cut as you like. I'm following one way. I'm dividing 10 by 5 2 times, and then 9 and 15 you can divide by 3 each. Okay, if you can divide 9 by 3 3 times, you can divide 15 by 3 5 times. So now there is 2 and 3 left, multiply them 6, 5 is only down, it is improper fraction, make into mixed fraction. So it will be 1 whole 1 by 5. Now challenge problems for you, my dear students. I have given you 3 multiplication, 2 multiplication, this calculation page, and 1 word problem. And then here the divisions, here 2 divisions and calculation page, 1 division word problem. My dear students, take a screenshot or pause it and try to solve them, and you can get it checked by yourself, or you can send me straight. And I hope that if you are listening to the class, if you are observing the class, will be able to answer these challenge problems. So thank you so much for attending the class. More practice, more success. Remember, always like and share our Facebook page and subscribe our channel. Contact details is given here, my dear students, for your patience that you have been with me uh, so far. So I hope that you will enjoy more classes, or more classes will come in future. So thank you so much.